Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to announce a new video series that's going to be a game changer. In the past, I've shared tips and strategies on how to start a blog and rank high on Google. But this time, I'm taking it up to a new level. I'm going to build a brand new site from scratch and will document the entire process step by step, day by day, week by week, and month by month until we get the desired results. You will get an insider look on how we optimize sites, climb up the search engine's ranking, and drive high quality traffic to the content. But before I dive into the new course, let me show you some results from my past success. Here are snapshots of the websites I have worked on. As you can see, the traffic has skyrocketed and we have achieved top rankings on Google. It's all about using the right SEO strategies and techniques, and I'll be sharing those with you throughout this course series. So what can you expect from this series? Let's take a look. First, I'll kick off by choosing a niche, a domain name, web hosting, and setting up our website with Wordpress. I'll talk about the plugins and theme to use on your WordPress site. Then I will discuss on-page optimization techniques to ensure the site is search engine friendly right from the start. Before I continue with this video, please can you like this video? This will encourage me to make more videos like this. Thank you. So back to the video. I will also explain keyword research and how to find the right keywords to target, right helpful, and also optimizing the content for SEO, including meta tags, headings, internal linking, and so on. Then I'll continue with link building, also known as backlinks. I'll show you different strategies to acquire high quality, authoritative backlinks that can boost the site's authority and ranking in search results. This course is not just limited to choosing niche and domain, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, but also Google Analytics, how to use Google Search Console, AdSense approval, pop-up ads, affiliate marketing, and so on. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to choose a niche for your new site. This is going to be an interesting course. So stay glued to this channel while I walk you through on how to start a new site from day 1 to page 1 of Google. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.